I'm Mario, CEO of Restore. We're out of Indianapolis, Indiana. First time attending to an event like this. It's been grateful. I've been a lot of good people, a lot of members. I've been in the industry for 20 years. So one of the things that I find out with this event is you not only meet new people, you also maintain connections. I got a lot of friends, a lot of people that I haven't seen in years, and be able to have all those people here that they still recognize you, they still know who you are. That's tremendous. And then also learning a lot from small and large companies. It's great. I met a couple people that were new in the restoration business. They got brought up by other companies, by friends, whoever. If they're new, these events are be great for those people because everybody can share their stories. I met a guy that owns a company. He's an immigrant like me. He came from Mexico like me, and now his company is one of the biggest Christian companies in the industry. So have the opportunity to meet the guys that you respect is tremendous. Like I never thought I would have met, like if it wouldn't be for this event, I would never have the chance to meet him. So thanks to this event, I met one of the guys that inspired me for what I do.